la 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 la. Tonight I'm gonna feel alive, and no one won't be acting nice. So baby, go and start a fight. I'm in love with the city lights. Look.
Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. I am fine. So today is a wig review as usual, guys. So today I'm reviewing a wig from Angie Queen. It came in this bag. Oh, I love the yellow. I just like the yellow color. Let me bring the hair out for you guys to see. This is the wig, and there are some goodies inside, guys. Okay, in here there's a wig cap, a pair of lashes. I would have used this. They are really long. I love this. So pair of lashes, and what's inside? There's another thing inside. No. And that is all. And that is all, guys. That is all that came with the wig. Guys, it's so hot here. If I tell you the weather, it's really hot. I like summer. I would say I like summer, but when it's too hot, I don't like it. I think my favorite season is spring. I like spring because it's not too cold, it's not too hot. This weather is really fucking hot. It's hot. When I mean it's hot, it's hot. If I tell you, the weather makes you so tired, so tired. So guys, this wig is 4x4 transparent lace closure. The density of the hair is 200 density. Came with baby hair, okay? Oh gosh, look at this. This is just summer wig. You wear this, you don't need to do any other thing. You just snatch this on and you're good to go. Good news, guys, good news. There is a discount code for you guys, okay? When you use the code AQ10, you will get 10% off your purchase. Just look at how gorgeous this. I don't know if my camera is doing justice to it. Ooh, guys, let me stop talking and wear the wig first. See the texture. You know you can never go wrong with bob this summer. Ooh, you see this? See how the wig is shining, the hair is shining. Look at this. I love this. Okay, the hair came with combs inside. See the inside, the construction, some combs, inbuilt adjustable strap. Let me brush it. Ooh, I feel like brushing this hair. Look at this. I don't even need to do anything. I don't need to do anything. Zero work needed. Zero work needed, guys. Guys, if you're lazy, this wig is for you, okay? It's for you. You just snatch this on and you're good to go. You don't even need to glue it down. Let me see, because this summer I have said that in several videos that this summer I don't like gluing my wigs down at all. I don't like gluing it down. I just pop it on because those glue, they melt on you, especially now that the weather is very hot. So I like wigs like this 4x4. You just pop it and voila. Okay, let me stop talking. You see, this is the adjustable strap. In case if you don't want to glue it down, this is what you need to do. You take out the the hook. This is the hook. You take it out from both sides. You see the two here. So what I'll do, I'll bring this one, take it to this way. I'll cross the other one and I'll hook it here. It will be like this, the back. The back will be like this. I do that so that the wig, the hair can really lap on my head, so that even if I don't glue it down, you will not know. It's so cool. It's soft, and the way the hair is shining. Wow, see this, really shining. You don't need to do anything. Me, there is no, I like bringing my hair forward like this. Oh, this is so perfect. I don't know why this side is raising up. Maybe we'll need to flatten it a little. Guys, you see that it's so tight. It's really tight. You see this? I love this part. The part is so long. You see, it's really long. So I'm going to cut the excess lace. So I don't need to glue this down. When you do it this way, you don't even need to glue it down. And I'm in for it. All the wigs I'm doing this summer period, I try my best not to glue them down. And baby hair also, I don't bring out baby hair. Although this one came with baby hair. And it's transparent lace. You see the lace? You see the lace? You see? It's transparent lace. So let me cut out the excess lace.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 난 겨울. Yeah, yeah. 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero. 폭설한 기출들. 꿈에도 I wasn't aware. 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해. 내 신감이 들어 단판이 돼도 머릿속을 흔드는 ibuprofen.
Oh, I don't know why it's flying up and down. Ooh, this is so hot.
I'll tell you I'm sorry if you want me back.
I don't know what I did that brought this. Maybe when I was wearing it, I did something. If not, the front was flat before, so let me try to fix that. I'm looking for my comb, my mirror, because the line was so neat. I don't know what I did. Okay. I'll use a wax stick. Because this flying hair, I don't want any of them. The hair is already shiny. I don't need wax stick before, but because of all this flying hair, I need to like tape them down. Guys, I don't like this place. I'm going to trim it from here.
Sorry if you want me back. I'll tell you stop trying. Yeah, you got me. Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 넌 겨울. Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 넌 겨울. Girl, you cold-blooded. Yeah. Girl, you cold-blooded. Girl, you cold-blooded.
I cut this one too short, but no problem about that.